My dispatcher got a call a few weeks ago. Someone had lost all their keys to their Chevy Cruze. Bill, is there, what options does that person have, and was there an option before they lost all their keys to keep them from having to spend a lot of money to have new keys made?
Absolutely, Roger. We recommend that everybody have additional keys, 2 and 3 backup keys. The key that you're talking about for the Chevy Cruze is a switchblade flip key. This is a remote head key as well, and we can create these for the vehicle. We can get you a backup, and that way you've got, an extra key. But we can also, if you want to add a 3rd or 4th key, we can also just do a transponder key. Considerably less expensive. You'll open the door manually, and this will also start and run the vehicle. So that way, if you have lost all of your more expensive keys, you haven't lost use of your vehicle. We carry these in stock, and we can make these in about 20 minutes for you.
We do. RekeyXpress, we do have a lot of GM products. We have the transponder keys, the flip keys. They have their Proxes now and their higher end Denali's and Cadillacs. We also have the remotes from the older ones. There are like 38 different ones, those old remotes from
There's
the
a bunch
2000s.
of them, and a lot of them look the same. That's why we caution you against buying anything online.
Gotcha. Okay. So it's real important to do business with a licensed and insured locksmith in Texas. The reason why that's important is because we care about our reputation. We want to do service for you, and then we would like to also do service for your family and your friends and your associates. We have a vast inventory of keys for 30 different makes. It's very seldom that we have to pause a job because we don't have the key for that vehicle, the exact one. And the makes that we do service are all of the American makes, and all of the Korean makes and all the Japanese makes. We've pretty much got that covered. So if you need a key for one of those, we can take care of that for you. Another thing is that we use advanced diagnostic programming equipment. And the reason why this is important is because there are a lot of cheap programmers out there made in China. These can do huge monetary damage to your vehicle. And if somebody does do huge monetary damage to your vehicle, you want to make sure that they are insured so that you can be made whole again. So do business with a reputable locksmith. We're a reputable locksmith. Our name is RekeyXpress Locksmith. We've been here since 2013. My name is Roger Quartz.
And I'm Bill McCoy.
Thank you.